So you come in, you're brand new, you come in as an associate. We all do. When you sell a $64.90 plan, that is a legal plan with the identity theft family plan, right? That's one of our best selling bundles right there, plans. You're going to get paid $70. You're going to get paid $70 the next day if you choose the daily pay option. Okay. Now, the goal is to get up to the senior associate level. And if you do that within your first 20 days, you're going to get a raise. Now you're going to get paid $90 for selling that $64 plan. And now it opens the ability for you to get overrides, right? That's that right-hand column, team overrides, when you've got a team starting to come in. And now you're going to get, and this cumulative, if you can see that, these are plus signs. So as a senior associate, you bring in your best friend, Sarah. Sarah sells a $64 plan, but because you're her mentor and business partner, you're going to get a $20 override on what Sarah just sold. Can you imagine having 10 Sarahs on your team?